kid way. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Feeling the need, oh, tummy says it's time to go. Don't wait too long, we know. Walk to the bathroom step by step. We're getting bigger, ready, set. Sit and try, sit on the little seat, nice and slow. Take a deep breath, let it go. Maybe yes or maybe not. Trying is great, that's what we've got. Chomp, chomp time. Wipe, wipe, nice and clean. Doing great, you're a hygiene queen. All cleaned up and feeling proud. Growing up and standing tall. Turn the water, add some soap. Scrub a dub, bubbles help us cope. Front and back and in between. Rinse them off till hands are clean. Accidents are okay, oops can happen, that's alright. Learning takes time, just keep trying. Tight, clean up, change, and then we say, I'll try again another day. March to the bathroom, 1, 2, 3. Sit down gently, just like me. Wash your hands and dance around. Big kid skills, we're bathroom bound. Oh, 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 oh. March to the bathroom, 1, 2, 3. Sit down gently, just like me. Wash your hands and dance around. Big kid skills, we're bathroom bound. Big kid time, bathroom time, hip hooray. Bathroom time, hip hooray. We're learning and growing every day. Sit, clean, wash, we know the way. Bathroom time is the big kid way. Bathroom time, we did our best. Learning new things helps us grow up next. Clap your hands and